How to make blank trading in the stock market. Now guys, today I'm gonna take you guys on a live trading session from start to finish. It's been a while since we made those videos on how to make series, but this is gonna be the last trading session that I actually break it down, so we're gonna do it together. So guys, obviously I said blank because the trade hasn't happened, so we're gonna do it together. I don't know how much I'm gonna make, or maybe I'll end up losing, but today we've got a perfect stock that follows the perfect pattern that we anticipate. Now I'm talking about we guys, and I'm alone here, but I'm gonna take you guys with the Discord chat. Those are the guys that follow my trading style and have been learning, and this is just a community that I have for you guys. But guys, let's get right into it. So just like I said yesterday, we have a triangle that we follow every single day, right? And I was going straight forward into it, guys, because I don't want to waste any time, or your time in the first place. So we're gonna go with the news. That's the first thing that we look for. That's the catalyst that will move a stock higher or lower. It's gonna cause a reaction to happen, right? This is how the stock market is gonna react to the news. The reaction is gonna form a pattern. This is something that makes us basically have an edge over the market, and we find that over time, but we already know these patterns. There's four in this strategy that I teach you guys here on this channel. So here's the stock we're going to be trading today, AEO. It's already down 11%. Why? This is the reaction. Remember, this is how the market reacted to the news, right? So where's the news? Let's find it. If we just click news, there you go. So, American Eagle slumps after sluggish sales. So they released an earner report. So that is the news right there. We analyzed it. It ticks all the boxes. So we need few things that we need to look for in that report, and everybody can understand that. Everybody can learn that. But now we understand all of these. We understand the psychology, how the market is going to react, the pattern. Now the only thing left, guys, is to trade. Now on this channel, obviously, or this Discord chat, I already shared my game plan with them. Here goes the memes, and usually Keith here launches up the meme. I haven't even seen that yet. Guess who's back? Shorts are back. Yeah, we love shorting, guys. We love shorting because yeah, this is something that gives us an edge over the market. So guys, let's stop talking and let's just jump right into it. Hopefully you get to learn a thing or two. We're gonna go to the computer. We're gonna make the trade happen. I'm gonna make it happen in front of your eyes. And just remember the stock name, AEO. That's going to be the stock. And I'm going to show you the results of the chat, because majority of us are going to be trading that same stock. So let's put the camera down and let's dive into this recorder. So that's the stock we're going to be watching. The stock has just opened, right? So obviously we know what's going to happen now. I'm not going to be clicking buttons. I know what I'm doing here. I don't want you thinking I'm just clicking the button. No, this is something we look forward to every single time. And this is going to be one of those short positions, guys. My favorite. I love shorting. I don't know why, but it looks like this stock is doing what we want it to do. Money's flown out. $1,000 short on that stock. Okay, so here's the entry, and this is the current price. So we're somewhat profitable now. All right, now it's just a waiting game and managing risk. While this platform updates, let me show you the Discord chat. Look at these guys, absolutely killing it, absolutely murdering this stock. There you go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a beautiful trade. It's only 4 minutes into stock market opening. So guys, surprisingly we're coming out with another $500 here, or pounds, so $600. Again guys, it's not about me. I'm gonna take this profit now and walk away. So I'm just gonna close the position. $500 profit, guys. I'm happy with that, but forget about me. It's these guys that matter at the moment, guys. Have a look at these guys and how they're doing things. Absolutely killing it. Those are the guys that are trading my style and following my style of trading. So short on AEO, again the same stock, short. This is a loss. Look, we learn from these, but again, losses will humble you. But look at the profits. These are guys, you know, are learning from their, I guess they get confidence here and there, but that doesn't faze me at the end of the day, guys. Making money doesn't faze me because it's not about making money, it's about being consistent. But again, I have to motivate you and show you these profits, show you these results for the day. Consistency is what we aim for, you know. That's the only thing that I want you guys to aim for. It's not just making money. And here's more of you guys killing it. It's like I said, some are trading with large capital, some are trading with small capital. But the pattern and perfecting the pattern is what matters. And the pattern anybody can understand. Those on the Discord, you know, probably tell you that. But anyways, yeah, more green here, more green, 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 green. What a day, guys, huh? What a day. AEO, great profit from AEO, and great execution. Hopefully you guys got to make some money. By the way, guys, I am actually in bed. I just thought I'd, you know, finish my trade here and go back to sleep. But yeah, guys, you notice the stock AEO performed what we wanted to perform, and that's the beauty of trading in the long term now. That's the beauty, guys, is that you can actually perfect this. So hopefully you enjoyed this, guys. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. I'm gonna leave this here. I want to make it nice and short. The live trade happened in front of your eyes, and I explained it even to you what was about to happen before the stock even done what we wanted to do. So that says a lot, doesn't it? If you want to join the Discord chat and become part of the Monopoly family and learn the way I trade, there's going to be a course for you guys. It will teach you my style of trading. It's different than the majority of traders out there, and anybody can understand it, by the way. But with that being said, keep doing your thing, keep learning, keep practicing, learn from losses. Next week, you will see a video from my students that are on the Discord chat, because I invited some of you guys to join me in Malta. The invitation was open to anybody on the Discord chat. You had the chance to fly over to Malta and join me and trade with me for 3 days. 11 people have done that. They've booked their flights. They're going to be here next week, and we're going to trade together. So you'll see more content with them next week, and on my Instagram and on YouTube. But hopefully you learned something new, guys. Hopefully you got some value. But yeah, I'll see you again for more videos. Just like always, if you made this far, smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Simply Zed. Peace and love, guys. Just like always.